The WOLFBOX G900 PRO Dashcam redefines the standards for in-car video recording with its advanced features, intelligent design, and superior imaging technology. Designed for drivers who demand the best in both quality and convenience, the G900 PRO offers 4K plus to 0.5K video resolution, voice control, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and GPS functionality, making it an ideal choice for any vehicle. The G900 PRO is equipped with the cutting-edge Sony Starvis 2IMX678 sensor, capable of delivering ultra-high 8MP resolution for front recordings and to 0.5K clarity for the rear camera. This ensures every detail of your journey is captured with precision. The advanced 1.8 low-light sensor, coupled with 2D NR and 3D NR noise reduction technology, enhances nighttime footage, making it sharper and clearer than ever. Seamless connectivity is a key feature of the G900 PRO. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, users can easily pair the dashcam to the dedicated app for quick downloads, real-time viewing, and hassle-free management of recordings. This fast and stable wireless connection ensures that you can access and share your videos without delay. 5. AX Wi-Fi and app control seamlessly connect and manage your recordings through a fast wireless connection using the dedicated app for quick downloads and sharing. 24-hour parking protection with an optional parking hardwire kit. The dashcam offers continuous monitoring and security for your parked vehicle. Parking assistance function includes a dedicated mode for parking assistance, enhancing safety during maneuvers. Superior imaging technology powered by the Sony Starvis 2IMX678 sensor. It captures sharp detailed footage in bright and low light conditions, ensuring every detail is recorded accurately. Whether for daily commutes or enhanced vehicle security, the WOLFBOX G900 PRO combines cutting-edge technology and user-friendly features for an exceptional driving experience.